Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is decimal fractions. So in this one, reading, writing, place value and fractions conversion to decimals that we are going to see, and it's a practice test MT016 solution, and or we can say the answers keys we are going to see. So question number 1 is there for the reading and writing session. So which one of the following is not a decimal fractions? Not a decimal fraction. Now decimal fractions means in a denominator there is a 10 multiples number. Okay, 10 multiples means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000s or etc. Okay, so in option number 1, 3 and 4 having the denominator respectively 100, 1000 and 10 means it's a multiple of the 10. But option number 2, it's a 80 means it's not a multiple of the 10's power. Okay, so it's a 80 means it's a in between the 10 and the 100. So that's why option number 2 is a different one than the decimal fractions, or we can say it's a not a decimal fractions. Now question number 2, write 28.8 in terms of mixed fraction. Now 28.8 means we can segregate that one is the 28 plus 0.8. Now 0.8 is a decimal, we can write down in a decimal fractions like 8.8 by 10. Okay, or we can say 28 plus 8 by 10 or 28 8 by 10. Okay, so this is a correct answer and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 3, write 5 integer and 9 by 10 in terms of decimal fraction. Now 5 and means plus, so 5 plus 9 by 10, this 9 by 10 means we can write down in a decimal, so this is a 0.9 because this is the 10th. Okay, and this 5 as it is and this plus as it is, so this after this addition 5.9. Okay, this is also integer and this is also integer at the units place, so this is getting addition and this 0.9 as it is, so this is 5.9 and this 5.9 is given in option number 3. Now question number 4, how to write 56 by 100 in terms of decimal fractions. Now 56 is an integer, if we divided with this by 100, so 56 means this is a 56.0 we can say. Okay, so now after dividing this 100, this decimal point we have to shift it to the left side. This is a one time means divided by 10 and after again the one time means divided by 100, so it will comes here means 0.56. so this is given in option number 1. Now question number 5, how to read decimal fractions 56.22 or we can say 56.22 hundredth. 22 hundredth means what is this? 22 by 100 or we can say 22 hundredth. So this is like this one and this is a 56 point. Okay, 56 and then point also we can say for the reading purpose, then 22 hundred or we can say 56.22, that is also the correct. So this is given in option in a statement B and the C, and in option number 3 is mentioning B and 6 are correctly, so option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 6, write the number 15.17 hundredth. Now 15 means 15 and okay, so after this one there is the point and 17 hundredth means divided by 100. Okay, so now so this 15 and then this decimal as it is, so 17 by 100 means we can say this is a 0.17 and after this adding the 15 means this is a 15.17. okay, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 7, equivalent decimal fractions of 13 by 5 is. Now here if we divided 13 by 4 and this 5 also by 4, okay, means same denominator and numerator multiply by 4, we are getting this 52 and 20 also. And here in option number 2, 13 multiply by 2 and this 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, we are getting this 10. So this 26 also we are getting, means option number 1 and 2 both are equivalent decimal fractions of 15 by 5. So option number 1 and 2 both are the correct. Now question number 8, 0.18 is equals to how much percentage? Now 0.18 means we can write down in another way, 18 by 100th, okay, and as we know this is a percentage, means per 100, okay, per cent means per cent. The meaning of per cent means per century, okay, century. This is a cent is a short form of the century, per century. Now century means 100, so this is a per 100 we can say, or we can say per century, and that is the same we can say per cent, means that is a, you hear the 18%, then this box means this is a 18, and 18 is given in option number 3. Now for the place value and the conversion, question number 1, find the place value of the number 9 in the number 52.89. Now 9 is here, means this is the 10th, and this then 100th. Now 0.09, this is the place value, or we can say 9 divided by 100th, okay, this is the same, this is the in fraction, decimal fraction, and this is in decimal, okay. So this is the place value of this 9 in this number, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 2, write the difference between, difference we have to calculate, place value of 5 in the number 52.15. Now here also 5 and here also 5. So 52 means in a 5 at the tens. So this 5 at the tens means this is the place value of the 50, and this is a 0.15. This 5 having the place value 0.05, and we have to calculate the difference, means from this 50 we have to subtract this 0.05. So after this subtractions means 50.00, we will maintain the fractions, and then subtractions 0.05. So now 0 minus 5 cannot possible, so here we have to take the 10. This 10 we have to borrow, so here this 0 already 0, so it will come the 9 after borrowing the tens from this one, but here also the 0, so tens we have to borrow from the 5, so 5 will convert to the 4, and this tens after this borrow, this will comes the 9, and this will also the 9. So now 5 deducted from this 10 means this is the 5, then 9 minus 0, 9 as it is, then decimal point as it is, then 9 minus 0, 9, and this 4 as it is, so it means 49.95, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 3, write the product of the place value of 4 in the number. So now this is a 1 4 at the unit place, and this 1 4 digit, this 1 4 means 4 digit at the tenths, okay. So 4.0 multiplied by 0. This 4 means this one, okay, means 0.4. Now we have to make the product, means multiplication. So now we have to make a multiplication, because here asking the product. So 4 multiplied by 0 is a 0, 4 multiplied by 4 is a 16, then this is a blank, then 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 4 is a 0, then we have to do the addition, 0 as it is, then 6 as it is, and this 1 as it is. Now this is a 160, but here the decimal point now we have to consider, here the 1 place and here 1 place, so total are the 2 places, so this 1 and then 2, okay, so this is a 1.6, okay, so 1.6 is given in option number 3. Or in another way we can do the multiplication, means 4 multiplied by this 0.4 means 4 by 10 also we can do. So 4 multiplied by 4 is a 16, and this 10 as it is. So now 16 divided by 10 means we can do the 1.6. This is also the another way, okay. Now question number 4, write the double up. Double up means we can say the multiply by 2. The product of means whatever the product comes here, we have to multiply by 2 after that one. So place value of the 2 in the number. So here the 2 point means here the only the 2 at the unit place. So 0.32 means here multiply by 0. Instead of the 3 we have to make the 0 here, and this 2 as it is, okay. So 2 multiply by 0.02. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4, okay. Now here 1 and 2 digit we have to shift, so after the 4 there is a decimal, so this is a 1 time shifting, and then we have to maintain the 0, and this is 2 times shifting. So now decimal will comes here, and then this 0 we will maintain, means 0.04. This is the answer. Or we can say 2 multiply by here the 0.02. This we can write down as like in another format. So 200th is there because this is the 100th place. Okay, so 2 by 100. So 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4, and 4 by 100th also we can maintain like this one. And after this divided by the 100, we can get the this 0.04 like this one. After that one, we have to make the double up, means multiply by 2 again. Okay, so now this 2 multiplied by 4 is a 8, then 2 multiplied by 0 as it is, and then decimal point as it is, means this is a 0.08, and this is a given in option number 4. Now question number 5, 5 tens plus 3 hundreds. 5 tens means we can say 5 multiplied by 10. Okay, this tens is there. Okay, not a tens, plus 3 hundreds. Hundreds means divided by 100. So 3 divided by 100. Okay, so now 5 multiplied by 10 means this is a, we can say 50, plus 3 divided by 100 means this is a 0.03. Okay, means 2 digit we have to shift this decimal. So after 3 here 1 and 2, so here we have to maintain the 0, and before that at the left side we have to maintain the this decimal point. So this is 0.03, which is same here, 0.03. Now after this addition 50.03, the answer 50.03, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 6, write the greatest number among the following. Now greatest number is here in option number 1, 1.3. So unit place only the 1. Now option number 2, 1.03 means only the 1 is there at the unit place. This is a higher in this number. Now here option number 3, 1.003, here also the 1 is there, but option number 4, here the 10 is there, 10.003. Now the decimals left side, the whatever the numbers, or we can say the digits that are the greater than the decimals right side. Now we will compare only the this part, means decimals left side, because everywhere there are the digits. So here 1, 1, 1 and 10. So in between the 10 is a greater. So option number 4 is a correct one. Now question number 7, among given number write the double of smallest decimal number. So double means we have to multiply by with 2, which is the smallest decimal number. Now here the decimal number for the comparison, first we will make the comparison on a unit place. So here unit place is a 1, here the 3, here 0, and here also 0. Now means the smallest one is the 0. Okay, this one. So between these two we are making the comparison. Now after this unit place, now we are going to comparison on a tenth. Okay, tenth means 1 by 10. Okay, so here 0, here 9, means this is a greater one. So means this is a smaller one, means 0.07 is a smaller one. Now we have to make the doubling, means multiply by 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 is a 14. So 4 here, 1 carry. So 2 multiplied by 0 means 0, 0 plus 1 means 14 as it is, and 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Okay, but here the 2 points means we can say the decimal having the 2 point. Here the decimals are in a hundredths. Okay, so means same we have to consider here tens and then hundreds place. So means 0.14, or we can say 0.7 we can write down in a 7 by hundreds. Okay, and then multiply by 2 like this one. So 7 multiplied by 2 is a 14, and then this 100 like this one. So 100 by 14 by 100 means 0.14. So this is the answer, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 8, 5 rupees 5 paise, so is equals to how much rupees? Now already 5 rupees is given, so 5 as it is. Then as per the options we have to make the in decimals. So now 5 paise, so plus 5 paise we have to convert in rupees, so means divided by this 100. So 5 by hundreds means this is a 5 as it is, and then plus this 5 by hundreds means 0.05. So this 0 and this 5 has to added. So after this one 5 means 5 plus 0 5, then decimal point as it is, and then 0 and 5 also as it is. So this 5.05, this is a rupees. So this is given in option number 2. Now question number 9, if Sudha has 52.5 rupees, then she has how many rupees and paise? Now 52.5, so we can segregate this one in paise and the rupees. So this 52 is a complete integer, means this is in rupees, and this 0.5, so this 0.5 means this is a, we can say, convert in a rupees, because this after the decimal whatever the right side, that are the, we can convert in paise. So this 0.5 means this is, we can say, multiply by with 100, so multiply by with 100, so this is a 50 paise. Okay, so this is a 50 paise, and this 52 rupees as it is. Okay, so 52 rupees 50 paise, 52 rupees 50 paise means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 10, 15 rupees 52 paise is equals to how much? As per the options, so we have to give in the rupees answer, because all having the rupees means in a decimal. So now 15 rupees and 52 paise, so means this paise also we have to convert in rupees. So 52 paise convert to the rupees, for this one we have to divide it by 100. So now this is the 0.52. So after this 15 and this 0.52 additions, we are getting the 15.52. So 15.52 rupees means option number 4 is a correct one. Thank you.